Unscrambling the Meaning, Understanding Egg Ring. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, egg ring. It's a phrase that might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and usage that can be quite fascinating. So, let's dive in and explore this phrase together. The phrase, egg ring, can be understood by looking at each word separately. An egg is a common food item laid by female birds, which can be cooked and eaten. A ring, on the other hand, is a circular band, typically made of metal or another hard material. When these two words come together to form the phrase, egg ring, they describe a kitchen tool that is used during cooking. An egg ring is a circular device that helps to shape eggs while they are being fried or poached, keeping them in a perfect circle and preventing them from spreading out in the pan. An egg ring is incredibly useful for making dishes where presentation is key. For instance, when you are preparing breakfast sandwiches, using an egg ring can ensure that your fried egg fits perfectly on your bread or muffin. They are also great for making pancakes, crumpets, or any other item where a uniform shape is desired. To use an egg ring, you simply place it in your frying pan, crack an egg into the ring, and cook as you normally would. The egg will take the shape of the ring, resulting in a neatly shaped, round egg. Egg rings come in various materials and sizes. The most common types are made from silicone or metal. Silicone rings are flexible, easy to clean, and usually non-stick. Metal rings, while also popular, may require a bit of oil or butter to prevent sticking. There are also variations in size, so you can choose an egg ring that suits the dish you are preparing. Some people even get creative and use egg rings to make fun shapes like hearts or stars. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, egg ring. We hope this video has been informative and that you now have a better understanding of what an egg ring is and how it can be used in cooking. Happy cooking, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content.